In this video, I'm going to reveal the best work from home side hustle you can do right now in 2022 and how complete beginners with absolutely no experience are earning $247 over and over again from the comfort of their own home. And these $247 payments are paid instantly to your PayPal, Cash App, or Zelle. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Dan Froelke here, and in this tutorial I want to share with you a brand new proven work from home opportunity that's designed to put money in your pocket immediately. Now, I'm not talking about earning $1 to $5 per transactions like in a lot of those side hustle videos out there. I'm sure you've seen the ones earn free PayPal money, or the fastest way to earn free PayPal money, or any of that nonsense out there. I want to show you a proven, legitimate home-based business where you can earn multiple $247 payments paid directly to you multiple times per week, sometimes multiple times per day, like I'm doing. So first, I want to show you some results that I've gotten over the past 8 weeks with this brand new worldwide system. That way, you'll know that I'm on the level to show you how to do this stuff, how to make money online in 2022 with this system. You're also going to see a complete overview. I'm going to show everything to you step by step. You'll learn all the FAQs. So grab a pen, paper, take some notes, because by the end of this video, you will know why this is the best work from home side hustle for 2022. All right, let's get started right now. All right, I want to show you some results that I've gotten over the past few months with this amazing little side hustle. But first, a little legal disclaimer here. The results you're going to see in this video and on the next page are my results. These results are not typical, and in no way do I guarantee or imply that you will get these results, if any at all. Okay, let's log in. But first, I want to show you the date over here, because that is relevant. It is Monday, March 14th, 2022. Monday, March 14th, 2022. Okay, let me just put this back over here, and let's log in. Now, I want to show you that this is me. Okay, this is indeed my profile here. So let me click on this and move this over here. And as you can see, that is me. Okay, and let's go to the members area. And then we're going to click on commissions. Whoop, let me just put that over there. And these stats refresh every month. So as you can see, again, it's March 14th, and I'm at $4,400. Okay, so that's not bad. Halfway through the month. I'm sure I'll at least hit 8,000 to 10,000. Okay, I started this little side hustle back in December of 2021, so that's just a few months ago. Let's go back a couple months here. So last month, the month February, $9,600, and let's go back to January. Was a great month, a little over $12,000, and these are 100% commissions paid directly to me. You could get paid via PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, any way you want to get paid. And let's go back to December when I started my very first month, $7,690. Okay, not bad. So if we add all those together, okay, so if we put this to 6 months, right here, it'll just add them all up. Okay, so that's $34,366 in a few short months. And this is just one of 3 income streams that I have. And if you're interested in learning more of what I do, well, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on this channel, I create videos on how to make money online using member-to-member instant pay programs like the one that I'm showing you right here today. These are 100% commissions that are going to be paid to you, okay? $247 a pop, multiple times per week, sometimes multiple times per day, as you can see here. So if you have a full-time job and you're looking for a little work from home side hustle, this would be perfect for you. There's no experience required, and it's very easy to get this system set up and running. And it just takes about 30 to 40 minutes per day to work. And if you want to put in a little more work and scale it up a bit, you can even replace your current job with this and make over 6 figures per year like I am going to do with just this little income stream. And it goes on and on and on. And what's really cool is you're going to have a complete online business within this system. Everything is included. Now, I'm not sure if you ever went out there and researched what exactly it takes to have a successful online business. There's a lot of moving parts, and it can be scary and a little confusing. But there's no need to worry about that with this system because it comes with everything. And the support here is phenomenal. Now, the owner's name is Frank Vinziano, and he's really a hands-on owner. And again, the support with him is phenomenal. And what I want to do right now, I want to hand it over to Frank, and you're going to watch a 6-minute overview of this system with Frank, okay? He's a really good guy, and I've gotten to know him over the past few months, and he is really top-notch. I want you to watch this very quick overview of the system, and I'll be back in just a few minutes because I put a lot of things in place to help you succeed in this business. And to be honest with you, your very best chance in having success with this business is to have me as your sponsor because I even pay for traffic for you to get started. You can reach into my pocket and pay for some traffic to help jumpstart your business. All that stuff is going to be right at the end of this video, but I want you to watch this overview of the entire system. You will be glad that you did. I promise you.
Hi, it's Frank and Laura, and if you've been around the internet for a while, you've probably seen us before. In our last program alone, we had multiple dozens of people earning $2,000 to $3,000 per month, and more than a handful of people earning a lot more than that. That was a residual income program, and most of those people are still getting paid residuals even today. We are now releasing our new program that will pay you $247 24/7, even while you sleep. Welcome to My Automatic Pay. We are launching this program right now, and you can be a part of our foundation team. This is the team of people that will help us build the foundation of the company that will carry us into the future. This chart will show you that the big money in this program hasn't even started to be made yet. And you can take advantage of this timing before anyone has even heard about My Automatic Pay, MAP for short. Many of our successful team members were influenced by a quote from Warren Buffett. He said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." That definitely resonates with people worldwide as millions of people are trying to find a way to make money from home. And MAP may be our best offer yet because it makes financial sense to everyone. This program is designed to put money in your pockets immediately. And what our members love most about this program is there are no monthly fees to maintain it. That's right, this is just a one-time payment. And you're going to be blown away by what you get when you consider there are no monthly charges for you. Here's what you get. You get a complete sales funnel, and here's what's inside. A prospect pulling capture page that redirects people to the information on your behalf. A dynamic sales page that does all the selling and telling for you while you just sit back, relax, and let our tools do the work. You are on that sales page right now. We are also including a customized autoresponder with pre-built, professionally written letters that go out to all your prospects. So yes, we are following up for you, and as you know, the fortune is in the follow-up. You're getting a comprehensive members marketing portal that includes our tracking interface, which is our proprietary report software that keeps you on top of your business in real time. But wait, there's more. You also get full access to our done-for-you traffic. Without traffic, your system is dead in the water. Let's face it, it's nice to have a cool system, but if no one gets to see it, you're not making those $247 payments. We help you get thousands of eyeballs looking at your sales funnel, and that's exactly what you need. Now let's take a look at some results from our members after the first month of MAP being open. Now keep in mind it only takes one person to then put you into pure profit. When that first first person pays you, they pay you the full $247 because it's paid directly to you, not to the company. Here's Chris, first time in the industry, $17.29 first month. Brian did $14.82. Frank, almost $2,000. Mary Beth, over $3,000. Dan, almost $8,000 in the first month. Nina, who just got started, got her first person and is now in pure profit. Tim did almost $3,000 in the first month. Ken, $741. Jeff, $17.29, and Janice is in profit at $494. What I like most about this system is that it's just a one-time charge, and you can continue to earn those $247 payments for the rest of your life by simply offering your sales funnel out to the marketplace. And if you want to go big, just use our traffic packages to get the word out to the masses. That's right, mass marketing. There's even a way for you to get paid in other countries. Okay, now let's touch on the products. Our products make sense as the world is going digital because bookstores are closing and people are using their devices for discovering new products, new ideas, and new businesses, just like My Automatic Pay. Digital or e-learning products are expected to hit $123 billion in sales by 2023, and we have a full library of products from which you can choose. Our niches cover marketing and health, the two most popular subjects on the web today, and we are always adding new products to keep your selection fresh and exciting. Within our product portal, you will also have access to our proprietary MAP digital marketing tool, which is responsible for helping multiple dozens of people escape the rat race and live life on their own terms. No boss telling them what to do. They live in freedom, deciding on what to do each day, and freedom is exactly why we do this business. Okay, here's how it works. There are 3 simple steps. You pay your enroller $247 one time. You also pay a one-time $33 setup fee. That's it. You are now in the members area. Number 2, register your profile and get your system set up and ready to accept those unlimited daily $247 payments. You'll set up your payment option in this step, and you can choose from Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, or have prospects pay you with a credit card. Number 3 is deciding on which traffic package you would like to implement so you can start seeing some results as soon as today. Traffic is the lifeblood of every business, and you will have as much as you need with MAP. Now let's talk about how you get paid with MAP. MAP employs a reverse one-up system, and here's how that works for you. The MAP reverse one-up system is designed to create passive income for you. Your first referral is going to pay you $247 as soon as they enroll. They're going to keep their first sale and then pass up their second sale to you, which will put you into profit with just one referral. You will pass up your second referral, and that is the only one that you'll ever have to pass up. Your third referral to Infinity will pay you $247. They will keep their first referral and then pass up their second sale to you. All of your pass-ups are going to pass up their second sale to you, and those pass-ups will also pass up their second sale to you. All of your pass-ups are also going to pass up their second sale to you, and those pass-ups will also pass up their second sale to you, and this goes on to infinity. We are making sure you have the opportunity to create leverage. That is, getting paid on other people's efforts. And the MAP Reverse One-Up system will help you do just that. Okay, that's it. A simple program that anyone can easily understand, but don't confuse simplicity with power. You have a simple program, yes, but it's also very powerful when you consider that enrolling just 5 people will earn you over $1,200. One of the most important factors in any business is knowing what your break-even point is. And with MAP, it's just one person. Enroll just one person and the rest is 100% profit for you, literally for the rest of your life.
All right. I never get sick of that video because I really believe that this is the best work from home side hustle that you can do right now. All right. So let's talk about my bonuses. Should you decide to partner with me in this online business, well, as you can see real soon here, I put a lot of things in place to help you succeed. I love to make money at the service of others rather than at the expense of others. And that's been my mantra for a long time now. I've been online for over 12 years, helping people make money for the very first time online. So what I want you to do now, I want you to scroll down to the very first link in the description of this video. It's automatic247.com. You can put your information in, and you're going to be redirected to this page right here to see all my amazing team bonuses. And there is a lot of them. I even put my money where my mouth is and pay for top tier 1 traffic for you for 30 days to jumpstart your business. We have a team training site with all my training tutorials, all my proven traffic resources, and a bunch of other bonuses as well. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel here to see all my other proven money-making income streams. Click the bell to be notified anytime I upload new videos on how to make money online in 2022. And if you got some value out of this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Leave your questions in the comment section below. I always read them and I always answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.